Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Yes, I did the vacuum exercise for 14 days and now I'll show you guys how that went. I also did other workouts alongside these vacuum exercises. Like I did my ab workouts from my channel and upper body workouts and basically everything that I would then usually do on a regular basis. I did that also while including the vacuums. Like I either did the vacuums as a warm-up or as a cool down. I started increasing the number of seconds that I would hold in my vacuum. So basically I started doing like 40 seconds hold and with just 20 seconds breaks in between. Exactly. And I basically just like gradually increased that, like the number of seconds that I would then hold my vacuum. And by the end of my 14 days I was holding the vacuum for 50 seconds and just having 10 seconds breaks in between. I find vacuums super beneficial and effective, and they definitely help with your posture and keeping that waist snatched. Also with bloating, oh my god, I felt like in these 2 weeks my stomach has never looked so on fleek. Girls, like yeah, but it's also important to really inform yourself before you start doing this exercise.